Your Excellency, Mheshimiwa Anisa Begum, thank you for your gracious presence. I would like to also extend a grand welcome to our Mheshimiwa Mabula, who's the Deputy Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Tourism, Tanzania. I would like to also welcome our Director General of Tanzania Tourist Board, Mr. Ephraim Baluzi Mfulu, who's been instrumental in helping us curate such a beautiful roadshow and the OTM. I would like to also thank our board member, Mr. Omari, welcome, sir. Thank you so much for being here, supporting us, and our gracious Miss Moza Moli, TTB board member, to be present here also. Distinguished guests, delegates, the private sector from Tanzania who supported our initiative. Swahili Safaris curated something and the whole private sector stood up, and you can see them in numbers here. So thank you very much. I would like to also thank all the government agencies that are present here also and have supported the collaboration of Swahili Safaris with Tanzania Tourist Board under the guidance of the High Commissioner of Tanzania in India, New Delhi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.